Welcome to our next tutorial. Are you looking for ways to increase your app downloads? Having a mobile app download pop up across your website is the boost you need to improve your app downloads. There are two advantages of having this pop-up on your website. It strengthens the authenticity of your mobile app. It is an easy way to go forward with installing the app. Go to App Settings on your Swipecart dashboard. Select Mobile App Download Pop-up. Here, you can customize the style of your pop-up on desktop and mobile browsers. Let's start with the desktop. Enable the desktop toggle under the Show On field to enable its visibility. Next, configure the position of the download pop-up. Please note that for smaller devices, the pop-up will appear in the center. Now, let's make your visitors use the pop-up. For this, add an attractive main title and subtitle in the main pop-up section. The content added here will appear as the main title and the supporting content in the pop-up. Expand the bottom pop-up section. Here, upload the logo for the bottom pop-up along with catchy content in the title. Please note the size of the logo should not be greater than 200 kilobytes. On the color settings, choose a suitable color for your pop-up's BG color and font color. Now, switch to the mobile tab. As you make changes, you can see a preview of it here. Enable the mobile toggle under the Show On field to enable its visibility. Next, configure the position of the download pop-up in mobile browsers. Along with this, set up the frequency in days. Expand the pop-up section. Upload your logo, and add a catchy title and subtitle for the pop-up. Followed by this, add an effective CTA for the button. On the color settings, choose a suitable color for your pop-up's BG color and font color. Save the changes. You can now see the updated mobile app download pop-up in your web browsers and mobile browsers. If you have any issues or queries, contact our implementation specialist or contact our support team. Thank you for watching.